Alright, good day, guys. So, welcome to episode 7 of this series, Calculus 1 Differential Calculus. Alright, so in this episode, we're talking about the product rule. If you'll be following this this series rather, you know how we started techniques of differentiation. We have made a video on sum and difference rule. I've made a video on chain rule. Alright, so the third one now is the product rule. Alright, basically, let me just go straight to the point without wasting much of our time. Alright, so assuming we have a function, let's say y. Let's say y is equals to uv. That is the product of u and v. So, and we were asked to differentiate this. Alright, so there's a general formula we use for this. When we have a polynomial multiplied by another polynomial, it can also be a trigonometric identity though, but in most cases a polynomial multiplied by another polynomial, that is their product, right? So now the formula is just this. Don't forget to differentiate something, we are looking for the y over dx, right? So the y over dx is equals to, this is formula, v du over dx, that is v multiplied by du over dx plus u multiplied by dv over dx. Yes, this is formula, v du over dx plus u dv over dx. So this is very simple to apply. This is very simple to apply. Very simple to apply. So now let's take an example. Okay, so I have my first example here. Y equals to x squared plus 3 x squared minus 1. Alright, so basically you just need to substitute u and v for each polynomial. So basically let u equals to x squared plus 3, right? Then v will be what? S squared minus 1. What I just did was this. I substituted u for this and v for this. So let u to be equals to this and let v to be equals to this. So go ahead to differentiate both u and v. So this is u, right? So we are differentiating u with respect to x. Don't forget. So that will be what, du over dx. So I think by now we should be able to differentiate simple functions like this. So this should give me 2x, 2x, because the derivative of a constant is what? Is 0. So this will be 0, right? So now come to this side, dv over dx. This should also give me 2x, right? Yes, 2x. So now let's apply the formula now. dy over dx equals to v du over dx plus or u dv over dx. What's our v? Our v is x squared plus 1, right? So x squared plus 1 multiplied by what? What's the u over dx? The u over dx is 2x plus, what's our u? Our u is this, x squared plus 3 multiplied by dv over dx. dv is also 2x, right? Alright. So now, just to make it look more sensible, let's bring this 2x to the front. So 2x x squared plus 1 plus 2x x squared plus 3. Right, so and let's open the bracket. So using 2x to open the bracket, we should have 2x raised power 3 plus 2x plus 2x raised power 3 plus 6. So this should give us 2x raised power 3 plus 2x raised power 3, that's 4x raised power 3, right? Anyone with x squared? No. Then plus what? 2x plus 6. Let me come again. What's our v? Our v is x squared minus 1. Oh, v is minus 1, not plus 1. Alright. So that's a mistake there. So v is minus 1. So this should be minus 1. Then this should be minus 2x. And this should be minus 2x. So let's just come over the steps again. So v is this minus x squared minus 1, right? Multiplied by du over dx is 2x plus x squared plus 3, that's u. dv over dx is also 2x. So open the brackets. So 2 multiplied by this, you have 2x cubed minus 2x, right, plus 2x cube, what, plus 6. Okay, this is meant to be 6x actually, because 2x multiplied by 3 is what, is 6x. So this should be 6x. So your final answer should be 4x cube, 4x cube plus 6x minus 2x. That should be 4x. Yes. So 4x cube plus 4x. Yes. So this is our final answer. Right. So moving on to the second example, we have that y equals to x squared plus 4 x plus 5. So we have to find the derivative of this. Alright, so now don't forget, let u equals to x squared plus 4, then v equals to what, x plus 5. Right, now let's differentiate it. So the u over dx, so this should also give me 2x, right? Then the v over dx, this should give me 1. Yes, this should give me 1. Yes, differentiating x, so that's x raised by 1. That's 1 times x raised by what? 1 minus 1. 1 times x raised by 0. That's still 1. Alright, so this is interesting. Don't forget your formula. The y over dx is equals to v du over dx plus what? U dv over dx. So this is how you remember v. It will have du. U we have dv. You get? So just memorize this formula. So now let's get our answer. So the y over dx would be, what's our v? Our v is x plus 5. This is v, x plus 5. So x plus 5 multiplied by du over dx is 2x, right? 2x plus, what's our u? Our u is x squared plus 4. And unfortunately, the v over x is what? Is just 1. Right? So this, you can actually leave your answer this way: 2x into x plus 5, depending on what you see in the option, plus x squared plus 4. You might see this in the option, and the option might actually ask you to what? Simplify further. So if we have to simplify further, you should have something like this. This should be 2x squared plus 10x, right, plus x squared plus 4. What I do is the 2x plus x, 2x squared, 5 plus 2x, 10x, right, and plus this. So collecting like terms, 2, that will be 3x squared plus 10x plus 4. Though in most cases, they will mostly leave your answer in this form. Yes, they might not want to simplify further. But if you ask to simplify further, this is your what? This is your final answer. I hope that is gotten. So, alright. So the last example, which is the third example, y equals to x raised to 4 minus x squared plus 6. So now we want to get the derivative of this. So very simple. Let u equals to x raised to 4 minus x, and v equals to what? X squared plus 6. So let's get the u over the x. So the u over the x will be 4x raised to power 3 minus 1. So I don't want to be showing us this thing, because I think by now we should be able to solve to get the derivative of a function just by looking at it. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3, right? Then this is 1. Y dv over dx should be 2x. Yes, just 2x, because 6 will become 0. Now don't forget your formula, and the more you write it, the more you remember. So the y over dx is what? V du over dx plus what? U dv over dx. So what's our v? Our v is x squared plus 6. What's the u over dx? The u over dx is 4x is power 3 minus 1 plus, what's our u? Our u is x to the power 4 minus x, and what's our dv over dx? The v over dx is 2x. So in this case, since we have like looking at the powers now, you can see that they are high powers, so you might not want to like multiply out. So you can just leave your answer in this form. You can just put it this way: 4x cubed minus 1 multiplied by 2 x squared plus 6 plus 2x into x to the power 4 minus x. So this is your what final answer. So let me just go over the steps again. Don't forget, anytime you're giving a function whereby you have two polynomials that are multiplied by each other, you use the product rule, because multiplication also means product, right? So you let the first one to be u, second one to be v, then differentiate, get the u over dx, get the v over dx, and finally you apply the formula v du over dx plus u dv over dx. So if the only thing I get from this video is this formula, yes, get it. This formula, just make sure you practice it. Yes, memorize it. Alright. So that'll be all for this video. That'll be all, yes, for this video. So in the next episode, I'll be talking about the quotient rule, whereby if you are giving a function in this format, how we use it. There's actually another formula you can use to solve questions in this format. So for product rule, this is the formula v du over dx plus u dv over dx. Let's note it. So in the next episode, I'm talking about the quotient rule. Right, so thank you for watching this video. Yes, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Yes, thank you so much. So see you in the next episode. Peace out.